Training that incorporates simulations and games can encourage learners while presenting a realistic portrayal of work-related tasks or challenges. Simulations and games are not the same, although the distinction gets fuzzy at some times. Let's take a look. Simulations seek to reproduce parts of the real world so they can be experienced and manipulated, and learning can occur. From highly complicated systems that replicate difficult landing situations for pilots to programs that help medical trainees learn to sew sutures, simulations allow for safe training while the risks associated with failure are high. Games, on the other hand, are exercises that entertain and engage. They may or may not resemble the real world of work, but can sometimes be used to illustrate points in training. The future for workplace games is bright. Over 70% of companies will have at least one gamified application in the near future. Games are used to motivate and engage learners, and often use achievement badges, levels that must be cleared, and other rewards. Simulations and games provide a platform to increase engagement in learning.